Welcome to Buddhist Wisdom Worldwide, your gateway to exploring Buddha's universal teachings and how they can transform your everyday life. In this channel, we dive deep into the timeless wisdom of Buddha, bringing you practical insights to handle life's daily challenges. Whether you're dealing with anger, frustration, or stress, Buddha's teachings offer powerful tools for inner peace and resilience. Buddhist wisdom is not confined to one culture or era. From ancient monasteries in Asia to modern practices in the West, these teachings have crossed continents and centuries, proving their universal relevance and timeless nature. That's why we will showcase Buddha's teachings through universal stories stemming from different time periods and cultures. These stories will illustrate how Buddhist principles have been applied successfully across the globe, offering you relatable and actionable advice. Embark on this journey with us to uncover the limitless and timeless wisdom of Buddha. Subscribe to our channel and start exploring Buddhist wisdom worldwide. Dive into our rich content library featuring lectures, guided meditations, and book reviews. Join our community, share your experiences, and grow together in wisdom and compassion.